Geofencing. What's geofencing? Geofencing, guys, is where the drone puts itself in an invisible room. Okay? So you set the geofencing. It's almost like a fail-safe, but actually it's just a safety condition. Okay? It's not a fail-safe because it doesn't take control of a bad situation. It prevents a bad situation from occurring. Okay, so it's a proactive situation. Your drone will sit there, it'll use GPS to connect itself to its location, and depending on what you set, whether you put it at 20 feet or 100 feet or 50 meters or 500 meters, the drone will then say, okay, cool, I know that I'm in these limits. And if you set the ceiling of your geofence at 20 feet, then the drone will only be able to go to 20 feet. Because it'll hit that and it'll say, no, this is my ceiling. All right, that is what geofencing is. Do we understand? So when we go to the field, I'll actually show a geofence off. Okay, you're going to see that our drone should be able to fly as far as we want it. But you're going to see that you're going to be pushing, and it's going to stop itself. That's because it hit the wall of the geofence. It's basically just an visible room. Okay, cool.